Kalaban naman tayo guys. Ayan o, parang Diyos o. Nabas na yung kanyang machine gunner. Yo. Nice. Yun. Yun, parang George oh. Yun oh, shout out oh. Nice.
Standard 3-2.
Yeah, that's already the other end of the field over there. So here's how it goes. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Paano kilala to?
What do you want? Armbands or no armbands? No armbands. You guys get armbands. Choice.
Kita may ban?
Yeah. You guys can...
Kunin namin yung parang George ng gitna. Dan tayo babanatan ng mga anak dyan. Kaya naman kasi binili mo na ito? Oo, kini. Magisin mo na ko yan, tanggalin mo na yung orange. Ano na tayo, pagdating natin yung bilin ko.
Ba, ano naman? Ano eh? Tayo.
Leo, kaya kayo dyan? Huwag lang tayo ng ano, para hindi makuha yung plug. So nabalas dun sa baba. Ingat ka lang dyan sa gilid. Hit! Go ahead! Okay, got it. Sino pa ang plug? Diyan ka lang pre-hold sa posisyon mo ha. Gilid mo. Hindi siya makakuha dito. Naka-hold. Na-hold ko yung ano, plug nila. Wala.
Ayaw nyo lumabas. This one.
While blue team going up there. Is everybody out here?
Yep.
I only want to clean it.
Wait on 3 more! 4 more! 4 more?
Yeah, but they won't make it out for this game.
Tingin na pa eh. Hit na yun. Dahil pa tayo.
Punta ako para makita.
Doon ka daw sa kabila.
Punta ko doon.
Sige.
Lahat ko.
Sige. Oops, shit.
Oops, sorry. From the underside. Do you know if there's anyone outside?
Nope. I cleared the guy inside.
All right. Out. What's up? Yeah, same here.
I was excited. Got a bunch of you fuckers.
Yeah, one of these guys got me when I had my hand.
Oh shit, hit. Good.
The flag. They need to take
Clinic.
it to the cafe, which
Okay.
we need a couple people down next to the cafe because it is really easy to get that flag and just roll down there.
So we're gonna be run right away there.
Hey, everybody! Up here.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah, guys, don't get comfy in the back or in the corner. Like, get yourself comfy. Even if
Yeah.
you go more to Alamo, not up the hill, but just down low.
Yeah.
And just as long as you got something like that going on, it should be okay.
Yep.
Something going on.
I wouldn't mind.
Yeah,
Somebody would just
or gonna be out
go
here?
just a
Semi auto.
Semi only?
Semi only, semi only.
Semi.
No automatic, no? No.
Hey, Aaron!
Just
Yo!
automatic.
Oh, hey, how you doing?
Kakampi natin to, pre.
Yeah.
Kakampi natin.
Yeah, we can use full auto!
Go, pucha. Wala na.
But be nice! Yes, full auto! Yes!
Short burst.
Short first! Oh, shoot you! 3, 2, 1!
The grill here? Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Well, give me a signal.
So get some clear. We're gonna start shooting at the castle, alright?
Yep.
Sige ba? Okay, cover.
Right.
Over here. 3, 2, 1, cover.
Let's go.
You know, where'd you get shot from last time, you know?
Someone was shooting from below the castle.
Below, like right side, left side?
I feel like the middle. Or also in the right side.
Also na ano. Yeah, ando na. Ano sa baba na, pre? Pre, sa baba na, pre. Pasundan mo si ano, si pare.
Alright, tatakbo ko doon, kuya. Takbo ka sa likod ko, pumupuloto ka. Ay, puloto ka sa gitna. Kuya,
Sige.
pag takbo ko, puloto ka sa gitna, ha?
Sige.
Okay. Hindi na kaya, ha?
Okay.
Dito ka na, kuya. Dito ka na. Diyan ako, sige. 1, 2, 3, go! Go!
Ayan. Sige, boy.
Go.
Sige, boy. Shit. Out of mags. Go.
Yeah, lagay nila. Guys, is immortal. Ha? The ticking clock is immortal. Hindi, nilagay nila.
I don't know.
Hindi, tinamaan yun eh.
Yun nga!
Ako nagkatama.
Dito, tinamaan ko rin.
Yeah.
Hindi, may isang kumuha tapos tinakbo niya ulit.
Tumakbo pa siya eh.
Tumakbo.
talaga siya doon na
Tumakbo
siya
niya doon.
nag-hit.
Yeah. Dapat hindi kasamang ko. Nahit na eh.
Diniwan niya ng flag dito.
Oo, iniwan niya.
Ano natin.
We can blitz the buildings.
Yeah, can we get a couple people out?
Makita yung kalaban. Beach. Pre.
Go, hold the position.
Position pre.
Hold ka rin dyan, pre. Yeah. May Pandora, pre, meron.
Yeah.
Banatan natin agad. Dito may Pandora.
Solded.
It was less than 30.
Ubus kayo lahat eh.
Okay, y'all got like a super quick reload.
All right.
How is it up there, man?
Nagbarilan ko dun sa loob.
Wala na friend. Ano? Ando na. Wala na sa ano. Balik mo na. Third game.
Yeah. Dapat makuha natin tong pwesto to.
Oh, yan.
Tapos para di sila makakuha.
Saan yung plug nila?
So si Colonel, pwesto na dito. Kaya mo i-hold dito, kuya?
Sige, hold ko yan.
Sid, kunin mo yung isa dito sa mga pwesto dito.
Sige.
Kami tatakbo kami sa plug.
Sige.
Sino tatakbo dito? Sama ka sa amin kaya. Sino ka? Sama ka sa amin dito. Dapat meron tayo dito, dalawa. Dapat dalawa dito.
Bilis na.
Takbo agad sa taas. Yung dalawang fighter.
Ang
Okay,
bilis.
gusto ko ikaw lang ano, may scope ka eh. Gusto mo sa taas?
Saan?
Kay ni Colonel?
Pwede man dito ako.
Oh, sige na yun.
Yeah.
Basta huwag natin siya papakunin ng plug.
Sige, sige. Sniper tayo pre.
Huh?
Sniper tayo sa taas.
Task, right?
Taas tayo.
We need a couple guys in the tower.
Yep.
I'm just
Yeah.
gonna.
Couple to tower.
Our scope
Tower.
guys are gonna
Okay,
get
I'm
that.
just gonna go straight for flag if someone
Same.
wants to join me.
I'm with you.
Okay.
But we need someone to like back us up, like cover fire from below.
Yo.
You're all spawning down there.
Oh, okay.
Hey. Go. Good. Go, 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 go. Kasil. Oh, purto ka na. Bilis. Kapi natin.
Get siya. Get. Tantan mo si Ganpe.
Punta lang, punta lang. Ligad, ligad.
Galit. Wala siyang saltos. Wala mo siya.
Nice. Meron tayong tao doon na inikutan niya doon yung isa doon, no?
Saan?
Doon, inikutan niya doon. Yung kasama natin nandito, patag-paganda siya.
Tantan tayo.
Hindi rin siya na makasogol, no?
Hindi. Kasi lang, masinggan. Puta mo, basta naging trip ko ah.
Makita yung kalaban ko dito eh.
Kumanda ka sa mga puta. Sumakbo doon, no? Doon, no? Doon ka may butas-butas rin yun, yan.
Dito yung abangan ko yung isa dito eh.
Matarantado, hindi nag-attack. Tayong defense, paano sila mapanalo nito?
Yeah.
Hindi sila nag-attack eh.
Patayin siguro yung dalawa din.
And how that works is it's going to be everybody is a zombie. The zombie has a gun with zombie turning BBs in it. So when he hits you, you turn into a zombie and you go join him.
Depends.
Or no, wait, is this backwards?
Yeah, you
Did I
got
do
it
that
backwards. Everybody else is just the hospital. Clearing the castle.
Oh,
it's-
yeah, yeah.
The game is always like, I don't know who's.
No, we're going to do
Depends,
what we've done before because we know it works.
Ito yung parang sa ano ko yung pag nabaril naging kakampi.
Yeah. Yung
ginagawa So- namin.
Palitan.
Everybody is going to be in the
Dedepensa natin
castle.
yung castle.
There's going to be one zombie that's going to start over here somewhere. Down there? Right here. Right there. Okay, the zombie's going to start right there.
Labo-labo tayo niyan.
Oh, matagal to. Oo, labo-labo.
So, you're all
Labo tayo, tayo
survivors
magbabaril ng panyan.
in the castle.
Tatangit. Wala
And you need to stop the zombies from taking you over, turning you off
Palaban.
the zombies.
Tapos
So when
parami
zombie
siya ng
hits
parami.
you, you go join the zombie
Hanggang
team.
matira matibay yan.
Hindi, ibig
And
sabihin.
that's
Ay,
it.
magkakasanggapan tayo.
It's just a war
Kapag
between
ito na. Kapag nabaril ka, kalaban.
Hindi ako makikinig. Ano ba, hindi punta ka sa kanila.
Paano kuya, pag nabaril ng kalaban, doon ka na sa kalaban ng castle. Parang ubusan yan. Dedepensa natin yung castle. Pag tinamaan ka, kalaban ka na. Kasama ka na sa sugod. Oo.
Hagen's got an itchy trigger finger, man.
Kita guys, hit.
Zombie hit! No zombie anymore.
Fucking zombie.
Paring Louie, oh.
Yan yung zombie doon. Kasi namamatay naman ang zombie, dapat yeah. Mamatay yung zombie.
Yeah, hindi mamatay, pag mamatay babalik doon eh. Pero kung ngayon tatlo lang sila. So kung matamaan isa maging apat sila, pero kung matamaan sila balik sila kang balik ulit.
No, they're telling me to get up there. There's still like 8 of us down here.
Here.
Go up there.
Are you okay there? It's over there.
Ano siya?
Akit tayo, akit tayo. Shit, last na. Shit, last na.
Oh, shit. Tay siya.
Yuko. Okay tayo. Pare.
No, our team.
We're being swarmed, man.
That's why we're firing it anyway. Whoever comes up, call out.
Yeah, that's out.
Okay.
How many zombie now?
It's 3. I think it's 3.
Megan, just watch on your left if they're shooting at No. I'm too broke for that.
Kuya, cover mo sa gitna. Tatakbo ako. May backup, pwede mo makap. Isa. Edward. Backup ka, takbo ka dito sa gitna rin. Bilang ka dyan. Sabay tayo, bilang. Yeah. Sige, bilang. Sige, kaya. Takot!
Ayaw niya lumabas. Hit ka. Nice hit. Nice hit. Ay puta, nakuha na agad. Nakuha na agad doon yun. Ang bilis nila, boy. Ang bilis naman nila. Shit. Boy, takbo nyo na, boy. Nakuha na nila yung plug nila. Doon na.
I won't shoot you, gotta promise!
Hey, Luti.
Yep.
Yo,
Yo.
you're inside clinic.
Isa clear eh?
Nasa loob na tayo ng clinic.
Oo.
Aaron,
Hindi. Ayan na sila.
ayaw mo takbo?
Na-eliminate na sila. Tara. Tara. Ano sila?
Game over.
You were? We won?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice one. Good.